Good morning, pupils. You are welcome to Common Entrance class. This is the solution to the question sent earlier on. The first solution to question number 1 is this. You are asked to divide 192 by 8. What we mean there is that 192 divided by 8. Now, you are going to look for the smallest number that you can use to divide up and down. I mean the numerator and the denominator. Let's pick number 2. Then 2, here we have 4. 2 goes in 19. We have 9, remainder 1. Then in 12, we have 6. So we have 96 over 4. Now, 4 can go exactly in 96. Now, 4 goes in 9, we have 2 and remainder 1. 4 goes in 16 now, we have what? 4. So our final answer here is 24. So we pick A as our answer. Then question 2. What is the value of underlined digits in 46,546? Very simple. This is 46,546. Let's start from using this is units, tens, hundred, thousand. Your thousand will be TH. And this is tens of thousand. We represent it by TT. Now, the underlying number here from the question is 5. This is 5. And we can see that this 5 is under H. And our H stands for 100. So that means we have 500. So the answer here is C. Question 3. The question is, which is true about the number that is 3 more than 199? When we say 3 more than 199 means that more than means you have to add 3 to 199. And if you have 3 to 199, this is 199 plus 3. What do we have? This is 9 plus 3, we have 12, right? So keep 1 plus this 9, 10, and add 1 to that is 2. So that means the interpretation of this question is which is true about the number that is 3 more than 99. That means 202. That is what we want to look for. Let's look at the first one. A. 3 less than 202. When we say something is less than, then we have to subtract 3 from 202. And when you subtract 3 from 200 to give you exactly 199, you know that this statement is not true, it is false. Then the second one, we have 2 more than 200. When you say 2 more than 200, is that means you have to add 2 to 200. We can see that the statement is true with what we want to add. Because we had 2 to 200, we get 202 exactly. So it's that this statement, it is true with this one. Let's test. Our answer here is B. But I will need to explain the remaining options so that you know that what is the interpretation. 2 less than 200 means that you subtract 2 from 200. And when you subtract 2 from 200, we have 198. So you know that the statement is false. Then the last option, 3 more than 202. When you say 3 more than 202, that means you had 3 to 202, and we have 205. We say that the statement is not true. So the only statement that is true with 3 more than 199 is B. That is 2 more than 200. That is that about that question. Then question 3. Here, and question 4. Let's look at question 4. Which of the following gives the correct expanded notation for 2,620? Expanded notation. Now let's look at it. We have 2,000. Let's write it out. This is our 2,000. Can you see? 600. This is our 600. And 20. This is our 20. You have to add everything together. So we have 2,000 plus 600 plus 20. That is, we said expanded notation. So that means our answer there is B. Now question 5. Each statement about odd and even numbers is true except one. That means out of the 4 options given here, the three options they are true, but only one is false. Now let's check it. The first one, odd times odd is equal to odd. Let's pick a number. Let's pick 1 and 3. 1 times 3, because 1 is an odd number, 3 is also an odd number. 1 times 3, will give us 3. And we can see that 3 that we got as an answer is also true. So odd times odd will give us, because that 3 is an odd number. Now let's look at the second one. Even times even is equal to even. Let's pick a number 2 and 4. 2 times 4 will give us 8. And we can see that 8 is also an even number. Now let's look at it. You can see that the statement is also true. Then the C option, even plus even is equal to even. Let's try it. Let's pick 6 and let's pick 8. Now 6 is an even number, 8 also is an even number. 6 plus 8 will give us 14. And we can see that 14 is also an even number. You see that the statement is also what? True. Let's check the last option. We have odd plus odd is equal to odd. We want to check odd. Let's pick odd number. Let's pick 3 and let's pick 5. Then if you add 3 plus 5, we get 8. And you know that 8 is an even number. It is not odd. So automatically we can say that only option D is not true. That is, it is false. So that is the answer there. Question 6. 4 things of milk were bought for $10 and sold for $3 each. We were told each. What is the total profit made? Now when you are hearing bought means the cost price, while sold means that the selling price. And we were told that means our cost price here is that is $10. We want to look at the selling price. That is SP. So the profit means selling price minus cost price. And our selling price here is $12 minus $10. And what we have what? $2. So that means our answer here is A. Question 7. 1,000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. That is kg means kilogram. Then, therefore, 1 gram is equal to, we have to convert it to what? Decimal form. Now, 1,000 gram is equal to 1 gram. So we want to find what is 1 gram in kilogram. So 1 gram will give us 1 all over 1,000 kilogram. Now, here, to change this one to decimal, you can use a long division method or you shift your points. But I want to teach you the shifting of the point because this is the common entrance that you have to know all those simple ways where you can arrive to your question on time. Now, this is, we have 1 divided by 1,000. Then this is 1,000, we have 3-digit 0 numbers here. 3-digit 0 numbers. Now, you have to shift your points by 3. Now, this is 1. Now, when we have 1, ordinary 1 here means 1.0. So, automatically, this is where your point is. So, we are shifting our points by 3 numbers. So, we are counting it now. This is 1, 2, 3. So, that means this is where the point will be. So, all this one, you write 0 inside. So, we have 0.001. So that is 8, and here you can put a 0 here too to make it look neat. Now, so our answer here is B. That is 2 kilogram. Question 8. Which gives the cheapest rate? To find the cheapest rate here, we are going to divide 2. Now, this is 1 for $3. That means 3 divided by 1, what do we have? We have what? We have 3. So we have 3. 3 for $8. That means 8 divided by 3. What do we have? 3 goes in 8, we have 2. Remainder 2. In 20, we have 0.66666. Let's put it like that. Then C, 4 for $10. That means 10 divided by this is 10 divided by 4. We have 4 goes in 10, we have 2, remainder 2. In 20, put points, that is 5. Then the last one, 5 for $13. That means 13 divided by 5. 5 goes in 13, we have 2, remainder 3. In 30, we have 6. So, if we look at all this, we can see that the cheapest rate here is 2.5, and that is C. That means 4 for $10. Then, question 9. Which statement is true of a right-angled triangle? Let's draw a right-angle triangle to know the true. This is a right-angle triangle. Now, which statement is true of a right-angle triangle? This is a right-angle triangle. When we say right-angle triangle, that means this is place should be 90, must have this shape. Good. It must have something like this. That means the angle 90 here. That's the right-angle triangle. We want to look at the first option here. Want to look at which statement is true. Is 3 angles are right angles? Are they? No, because the only right angle here is what? Only this one. This one is not up to 90. The addition of these two was given because this one is already 90 on its own. So addition of the 3 angles are not right angle. That means the statement is false. The second one is as a pair of parallel lines. No. The only parallel lines here is only these hypotenuse. Others, they are not parallel. Then C, one of its angle is obtuse. No, this is not an obtuse. One of it is not an obtuse. Then the last one, it has a pair of perpendicular lines. Yes. The only true statement here is the last one, last option. So this is a perpendicular line. and you do your hand like this line, that is when the vertical lines join with the horizontal line, that is what is called perpendicular line. So, and we can see directly that this is a vertical line and this is an horizontal line. So the only option there that is correct is option D. The last question this morning: which of the following number is a prime number? When we are talking about a prime number has just two factors, that is 1 and itself. Now, look at this one. Let's check all these options. The first one, A. Is A prime number? That is 1. 1 is not a prime number because it is just only 1. Itself alone. It doesn't have any second number. So it is not a prime number. 2 is a prime number. You can see that it is 2 and 1. 1 times 1 and 2. 1 times 2 give us 2. Then number 6. 6 is not a prime number because 2 and 3. 2 times 3 give you 6. 2 can divide 6, while 3 also can divide, and 6 itself also can divide itself. It is not a prime number. Likewise, 9. 3 times 3 give you 9. You can say 9 times 1 also give you 9. So it is not a prime number. The only answer here is 2. So that is the only prime number here in the option given. Bye bye. Thanks for listening.